Today, we're diving into an incredible TikTok automation niche that's been making serious waves. I'm talking about the huge sea creatures niche. Imagine massive sea creatures appearing right on fishing decks with fishermen battling to bring in these catches. These videos are blowing up with millions of views on TikTok, and they're not just fascinating, they're downright addictive to watch. These videos aren't just dominating TikTok, they're also trending on YouTube Shorts. This niche has serious cross-platform potential, meaning it's a goldmine waiting to be tapped by creators like you. The audience for this content is huge, and it's still an unsaturated niche, which means you have the chance to jump in early and make a real splash. And the best part, you don't need fancy equipment or even to step foot on a fishing boat to create this kind of content. Today, I'm going to show you how to use completely free AI tools to create viral TikTok shorts in this niche. Now let's dive in. The first step is to generate a detailed and unique image prompt, which is absolutely crucial for creating eye-catching and engaging content. To make this step as smooth as possible, I've already put together a comprehensive Google Doc. This document contains a ready-made template you can use to craft your own custom image prompts with ease. You'll find the link to this Google Doc in the description below, so once you're ready, go ahead and open it up. Copy the image prompt from the document and head over to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT, then hit enter and let it work its magic. ChatGPT will generate a personalized list of image prompts tailored specifically to your needs. The process is super simple and incredibly intuitive, even if it's your first time using this kind of tool. If the prompts aren't exactly what you're looking for, or maybe you're feeling inspired and want even more creative ideas, you can simply ask ChatGPT to refine the prompts or generate entirely new ones. This step is key to ensuring you have unique and engaging visuals that stand out in your niche. Now that we have our prompt ready, it's time to generate high-quality images. For this step, we'll use Ideogram. Open your browser and search for ideogram.ai. If you're new to Ideogram, create a free account. Once you're logged in, click on the plus icon to access the creation interface where all the magic happens. Set the style to realistic, then change the aspect ratio to 9:16. This vertical format is ideal for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Now head back to ChatGPT. Copy the first image prompt, then return to Ideogram. Paste the prompt into the text box and hit Generate. This is where Ideogram works its magic, taking your prompt and turning it into a visually stunning image. Once the generation process is complete, preview the images Ideogram has created. Take your time to carefully review them and select the one that best fits your vision or concept and download it directly to your device. Now simply repeat these steps to create all the images you need for your project. The next step is to transform our static images into dynamic and captivating videos. For this, we'll be using a powerful tool called Hailuo AI. Open your browser and search for hailuoai.video. If you're new to the platform, create an account. Once you're logged in, click on the creation icon to get started. Select the image to video option. Then upload the image you want to animate to video. Now, to truly bring your image to life, you'll need an animation prompt. Go to the Google Doc and copy the animation prompt template from the document. Open ChatGPT, then paste the animation prompt into the chat and hit enter. ChatGPT will generate a unique and tailored animation prompt specifically designed to work with your image. Once you have your animation prompt, copy the prompt that corresponds to the image you want to animate, then return to Hailuo AI. Paste the prompt into the text box and click Generate. This is where the magic happens. Hailuo AI will begin animating your image based on the details provided in the prompt. This process might take a little time depending on the complexity of the animation. Patience is key here, as the result will be worth the wait. Once the animation process is complete, preview the video, and if you're happy with the result, go ahead and download the video to your device. Now you'll need to repeat this process for each of the images you've created to animate all of them into videos. The next step is getting music to elevate your video and make it even more engaging. No need to spend hours hunting for free, non-copyrighted tracks. Instead, we're going to create custom music that perfectly aligns with your content using a fantastic tool called Suno. Open your browser and search for suno.com. If you don't have an account, sign up. Once you're in, click on the creation icon to access Suno's music creation interface. You'll need lyrics that align with the theme of your video. Open ChatGPT and ask it to generate lyrics based on your video's topic, then hit enter, and ChatGPT will craft the perfect lyrics for your music. Copy the lyrics and head back to Suno, then paste it. We also need the right musical style. Go back to ChatGPT and ask for a music style. Copy the suggested style and paste it in Suno. Now give your track a title, then click Create. Suno will now begin generating your music based on your lyrics and chosen style. Once Suno has finished, it will generate 2 music tracks based on your input. Take a moment to listen to both tracks.
The wind cries loud in the shadow deep. The wind cries loud in the shadow deep.
Now download the one you prefer to your device. The final step is to bring everything together with editing. For this, we'll be using CapCut. Open CapCut on your device and import all the animated video clips you created earlier. Adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, the perfect format for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. If any logos appear in your clips, select the clip with the logo and gently stretch the video until the logo is no longer visible. This ensures a clean, professional look for your video. Do this same process to remove logo from other clips. Now we add transitions to our clips. Click on Overlay and choose the one you prefer, then click Apply to All to maintaining consistency throughout the entire video. To make your video more immersive, add realistic sound effects. Since our video is about the sea, search for and include ocean sound effects to set the mood. Now import the custom music you generated using Suno. To give your video a polished and engaging touch, we'll include captions for the music lyrics. Click on Text and select Auto Captions. Choose a caption template that aligns with your video's style, then click Generate and let CapCut do the work of syncing the captions with the music. Once the captions are generated, watch your video from start to finish to see if you are satisfied with the editing. If you're satisfied with the result, click on Export. Increase the resolution to 4K, then download the final video to your device. Now let's look at our final result.
The wind cries loud in the shadow deep, whispering secrets the dark waves keep. The moon hides her face, no stars in sight, lost in the fury of the endless night. The tide pulls strong, it won't let go. A restless force only sailors know. The heavens roar.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section.